Alright, so last night was a fantastic night. Got to go to the Celtics game and watch them come back from 22 points. I should probably push the button. Let's go. Yeah, so today I'm gonna go grab some coffee and we're gonna go to the Ranch in Beachmont. Then we're gonna go meet up with Bubba and go hang out with his kid, his dog, go play at the park, and then we'll kind of go from there. Alright, the next stop on holy shit, this food is amazing. We got Beachmont roast beef, also known as the Ranch. The best roast beef sandwiches you will ever have. So we're just waiting for Bubba to show up. We're gonna grab a couple and then head over to the park.
Your skill is extraordinary.
So another very successful meal here with the Ranch. It always lives up to the hype. What'd you think, Nicole?
Don't pick it up. She's following herself. Hey,
So this is what living in Winthrop used to be like. You're out here having a good old time and you start trying to talk to somebody, or if you're inside watching a movie and then a plane comes rolling over your head, it makes all this noise, and then you have to scream at the top of your lungs in order to be heard. We just got confirmation that on Tuesday night, we're gonna go eat at Reno's in East Boston. It might be the best food in the world. Might be. But we are going to Kowloon's tonight, and that might also be the best food in the world. Here we are at the top of the Prudential, probably the best view of the city. Right over here, we have the Cathedral, Fenway Park. Look at that view right there. And then we get the Charles River going on right over here. success. My favorite restaurant, Kowloon right there. The best Chinese food I have ever had. I am gonna get crazy and eat so much food right now, it's ridiculous. Saugus wings, pork fried rice, lobster sauce, crab rangoon. I'm gonna do it all. You're gonna see me do it all. Let's do it. Here it is, the very legendary Kowloon. I've been coming to this place since I was just a little tiny pebble. Finished dinner and it was a screaming success. The food is and is always delicious. Thank you, Kowloon.